today we're going to be doing a review of this guy right here. This is the Geardon wireless mic system, which is basically just a Chinese copy of a lavalier wireless mic. So let's get into it. Okay, so here it is, the Geardon GED-M04, and this was sent to me. I did not pay for this to do a review on, but I'm going to give you a good honest review on it. And so let's go over real quick what comes with this, and then we'll get into the performance of the microphone itself. Here you have it. This is the first piece. This is the professional wireless microphone is what it says on there. And this is the part that actually snaps into your camera. And like I said, it comes with a 1/4 inch jack, and then it comes with an adapter that goes from 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter. And got the old trusty measuring tape out so I can give you guys some quick dimensions. Jack included, this thing is 5.5 inches long. Without the jack, you're looking at roughly 3.5 inches long. It's 1.25 inches wide by 1.5 inches. So it's not really tiny, and when that sticks out of your camera, you know, it's a big piece of hardware hanging off the side of your camera. So now we're going to go to the actual transmitter itself. Just got a simple off and on. You open the cover, where your batteries go, and this is just how you change your frequencies in case you're catching interference on one. That's really all there is to it. It's got a little wire belt clip that clips onto your belt. And I'll give you the quick dimensions of this as well. This is going to be 2.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall and about 1 inch thick. So, I mean, I think that's probably about average size, but I'm not really sure. Like I said, I haven't owned one of these before, so you can decide. And then here's the two microphones. You just get like a little metal clip. As you can see on mine, I had to shove a piece of plastic in there because the little clip kept just sliding off the microphone, which was making it hard to use. And it also has this little foam cover to protect against wind noise or whatever. If I actually use this outside where it's windy, I have a little muff that I'll put on top of it. I'm not going to use the foam one. I like the furry ones. And then it also comes with this microphone here, which is a nice little spring steel holder with the microphone with the same foam cover. Okay, now that we've been through the box, now we're going to try this thing out and do some performance tests so you can hear how it sounds and see if it's something that you might want to buy. Hear a difference? I can't right now, but once I edit this video, I'll be able to play back and feel a difference, and we'll figure out which one sounds better. Okay, so as you can probably tell, the first test did not go so well, so this is going to be test number 2 with the Geardon. What you think? Does it sound better than the Rode video mic? Is it equal to? Better? Worse? Just leave a comment down below. Okay, one of the tests that I think we should do to check this out is let's do a movement test. So I'm going to back up the camera, stand up, run around. Office is small, so there's not a lot of room. Do a little spin in the chair. Tell me what you think. Okay, so real quick, we're going to do a quick test with the Britney Spears microphone, as I call it, and see if it might possibly be a faulty mic on the other side. So how does this microphone sound? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it maintaining good sound when I'm moving around, walking, spinning, bouncing? Let's see how it does. So you tell me in the comments down below, which one do you think sounds better? The Rode Video Micro or this one, the Geardon wireless mic? So I'm going to switch back to the Rode Video Micro because I know that works. Okay, I've already started editing this video. I've noticed that during my test on my audio bar, when I'm testing the Geardon, there is no left and right channel. There's only one channel of audio. You don't get a left and a right. So that's something else to consider. Okay, so there you have it. The Geardon GED-M04. This thing retails for about $35 to $40 on Amazon. And after reviewing the audio that I took with this thing, what do I think? There is no way that I would use that thing for any of my projects because audio is so important and you're not going to get a good audio out of that. I mean, it sounds okay when it's working, but it seems like any slight movement, you're losing a connection somewhere and it keeps cutting out and giving a lot of static, so not to be trusted. Anyway, that's my review of the Geardon wireless mic. I might fool around with it a little bit and see if I can figure out what that bug is, or figure out where that loose connection might be. And if I can come up with a fix for that and it turns it into a decent microphone, well then I'll make a video on that and let you guys know.